water, wind, and sun, powerful natural resources producing clean, efficient energy fueling our world. As a facilitator to a more sustainable future, thyssenkrupp Supply Chain Services is extremely proud to be the premier logistics partner to the renewable energy industry. Let our experienced team of logistics professionals, who each day are collectively contributing to the innovation of energy storage, wind, solar, electric mobility, and clean water technologies, enable you to deliver at peak efficiency toward a smarter, more resilient, and more sustainable future. We also enable you to take advantage of tax minimization through the ITC initiative. And of course, we're committed to maximizing power efficiencies and reducing costs through regular inspection, cleaning, and energy usage monitoring services with safety never compromised. We are thyssenkrupp Supply Chain Services. Let's accelerate the clean energy revolution. Engineer tomorrow together.